Two-factor authentication, not working on Moneyhub Save Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Moneyhub Save app or not alone, this problem can be frustrating, especially when you just want to check your savings or investment data. The good news? Most of the time, it's an easy fix once you know what's really causing it. Let's start with the most common reason: your phone's time settings. Two-factor authentication, or FA, relies on perfectly synced time between your device and Moneyhub's servers. Go into your phone settings and make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Even a small time difference can make your code invalid. Next, check that your Moneyhub app is fully updated. Outdated versions can break the connection between your phone and the authentication service. Head to your app store and install any available updates. If you're expecting a verification text, but it never arrives, turn off Wi-Fi and try using mobile data. Some internet providers and FBS can block automated text messages. Also, make sure your phone number on file with Moneyhub is still current. A recent change could prevent the code from being sent. If you're using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, open it and ensure that the app's internal time is synced correctly. There's usually an option in settings labeled Sync Time for codes. Enabling it often resolves failed code issues instantly. If the problem persists, try logging out, uninstalling the Moneyhub app, and reinstalling it fresh. This clears any corrupted cache data that might interfere with secure login. Finally, if you still can't access your account, select Can't Access Two-Factor to reset your authentication through Moneyhub's support system. Once your phone's time and app updates are in place, your two-factor authentication should work perfectly again. Remember, that one extra code might feel like a hassle, but it's your shield against unauthorized access, keeping your savings and personal information safe around the clock.